Hi, I'm Carl Taylor. Welcome to Carl Taylor Education Live. Tonight, another one of our talk shows, and I have my guest Jonathan Knowles with me tonight. I'm very excited about this show because I've been following Jonathan's work for a long time. If you're not familiar with Jonathan's work, let's introduce you to Jonathan and what he does, and then we will dive right in and learn more about it. Jonathan, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Carl. Great to be here.
Thanks for coming. It's such a pleasure to have you here. Let's take a question as the magic light bulb is on.
Ethan asks, how come you use light painting sometimes in shoots rather than a flash?
Actually, that's a good one because light painting is something we were going to speak about, and it's not something I've ever really used, but you use it quite a bit, and you used it on these we noticed in the video.
Really, it means that you can have an effective light source within the shot, which will give a harder light with more fall off, but with softer shadows. You know, I have various ones that I use. I do have the original Aaron Jones Hosemaster light painting systems, but now more and more I'm using little portable LED lights just to go in and pick out little bits of.
Just wave them around the product.